So we still have a good number of oral histories relating to the upcountry and civil rights that have already been conducted, but certainly there are more. Certainly we want to expand on that. So there's a proposal on the table for this exhibit that would open in the fall of 2012 and close in the late summer or fall of 2013. The chronology there is appropriate because we're hoping it will coincide with the 50th anniversary of Peterson versus Greenville. And Peterson versus Greenville is a court case that was decided by the United States Supreme Court in May of 1963 based upon arrests of 14 young people, 4 juveniles and then 10 Sterling High School, more or less mostly Sterling High School students, in August of 1960 at the Cress store, the Cress lunch counter. They were agitating for the desegregation of the lunch counters. The Cress building at this point in time was located at the corner of Main and McBee in downtown Greenville. And the case climbed the judicial ladder and went all the way to the United States Supreme Court. And in that court case, the justices decided that, the decision effectively desegregated lunch counters around the nation, but one of the more important elements of that judicial decision was that it was unconstitutional to require or to legislate discrimination based on race. So an interesting aspect of that, taking it back to August of 1960, is that when the manager of the Cress store called the police because the African American students were sitting at the lunch counter, he did not request arrest. But he was complicit in this because the Greenville City ordinances required, or forbade him actually, to serve these young people. So had he served them, he would have also been breaking the law. And the Greenville City ordinances required a distance of 35 feet between the area where white and African Americans ate. They required a color scheme to differentiate between plates and utensils, eating utensils. And there was also a requirement for different spaces for even cleaning those plates and eating utensils. And so, again, the manager would have also been guilty of breaking the Greenville City ordinances had he served them. So, if you take it back to fall of 2012 and then going through late summer of 2013, that will coincide with the 50th anniversary of Peterson versus Greenville. So that's what we're doing right now in terms of future events and an expansion of the civil rights movement area at the Upcountry History Museum.